What if I told you that a $250 tool is making people $1,200 in a single afternoon? Or that a machine you can buy online for under $2,000 turns a $2 bag of candy into $25? These aren't apps. These aren't crypto. These are physical machines. And real people are using them right now to make anywhere from $5,000 to $500,000 a month. 9 machines. Real numbers. Real people. Let's get into it. Quick note before we start, I'm analyzing these businesses, not guaranteeing any income. Always do your own research before starting anything. But I genuinely think this will spark something for you. A robot arm, a glass window, a kid watching their cotton candy get spun in real time and then handed directly to them through a window. This machine runs 24/7. No staff, no breaks. You just restock the materials. Zach Downey was 22, still in college. He tried to place a pizza vending machine, got rejected, stumbled across this instead. One machine paid itself off in a few weeks. Today, 10 machines across Florida, California, and Texas, and he's projecting $500,000 in revenue this year. Point it. Pull the trigger. The rust, paint, and grease just disappear. No chemicals. No scrubbing. No disassembly. This is the same technology used to restore a 3,500-year-old Egyptian obelisk and ancient artifacts at Penn Museum. And people are loading it into a van and driving it to auto shops, metal fabricators, and municipalities, charging $100 to $200 an hour. The machine costs about 60 cents an hour to run. Take a regular Skittle, put it in this machine. It comes out puffed up, light, airy, crunchy, and tastes completely different. People lose their minds over this. Buy Skittles for $2 a pound. Sell them freeze-dried for $16 to $25. That's a Sablas PM hospital lobby. Someone needs flowers. Right now, they walk up to a refrigerated touchscreen machine, tap their card, and flowers come out. This is already massive in Japan. Over 2,300 machines running nationwide. Royal Flora of Holland, the world's largest flower auction, launched their own brand called Flora Go, now operating in 6 countries in the US. Still early, still low competition. A well-placed machine can profit $3,000 to $6,000 a month. Machine costs $8,000 to $15,000. UV DTF Printing Machine replaces hydro dipping. You print a full-color design onto a special film. Peel it. Stick it on anything. A cup, a phone case, a tumbler, a candle. Press it down. Done. 30 seconds, start to finish. No chemicals. No dipping tanks. No drying time. No mess. The film costs about 50 cents to print. That same design on a custom tumbler sells for $25 to $40. Rug Tufting Gun, 4x15, pukul 5, $250. That's all this tool costs. And it's generating some of the highest margins on this entire list. It shoots yarn through a fabric backing at high speed, creating custom rugs, wall art, home decor. Before 2020, nobody outside carpet factories knew this existed. Then TikTok happened. Now the hashtag has billions of views. The real money isn't selling rugs, it's workshops. $80 to $150 per person. 8 to 10 people per session. Materials cost $20 to $30 per person. Gum Removal Machine 5 banding 00. Jam 5, lewat 45 menit. Right now, there are 300 million pieces of gum stuck to sidewalks, stadiums, schools, and parking garages across the US. Nobody wants to deal with it, which means almost nobody does. Until someone shows up with this machine. High-pressure steam ice cream rolling machine 5/45. Jam 6:30 menit. Pour liquid ice cream onto a steel plate at -30 derajat Celsius. Mix in the flavors. Scrape it up with metal spatulas, and it rolls into perfect little spirals. 3 minutes. Completely mesmerizing to watch. Everyone at the farmer's market stops. Everyone films it. Every customer becomes free advertising. Machine costs $400 to $1,2. Ingredients to 50 cents to $1 per cup. Selling price $7 to $12 per cup. That's a 91% gross margin on materials. Katie Pohl started at a single farmer's market in Seattle. Her customers were rearranging their schedules to come back. It went so viral, she opened a full brick and mortar. Location: raw peanuts go in. Fresh peanut butter comes out right in front of the customer. No heat, no additives, no preservatives. Add cinnamon, honey, dark chocolate, sriracha. Whatever makes it yours. Ali Peterson and Craig Mount started Downey Nuts in 2019 with $2,500 and a single grinder at their local farmer's market. One TikTok video went viral. They did $500,000 in sales in a single month. Today, 17 grinders, 20 employees, 4,000 jars a day. And the guy in my town who started with the same machine at a farmer's market. He built Justin's Peanut Butter and sold the company for over $100 million. Which one of these are you most interested in? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.